Hello, Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans. Alfred Price here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some 1/5 scale mini swords I'd like to show you. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. So this is Sting. And it's the actual 1/3 scale. And it is what UC 1264. And what it says on the blade, on the runes on the base here, it says, "Magnus is my name. I am the spider's bane." I'll show you here. Really cool writing along on the bottom there. And then this is a cool base. I love the handle. Such great detail on this little 1/3 sword. Much detail is in this. Very cool. Such great detail on these mini swords. Very cool. And that is Sting. Next would be this Narsil. This is the sword of Elendil. And what it says on it is, "Narsil is my name, a mighty sword. Telkar made me in Norgrod." And it measures 10 and 5/8 inches here, which is pretty cool there. Again, very cool base. One of my favorites in this. Absolutely love the writing on this. And this is UC 1267. Very, very cool. I love the Lord of the Rings emblem on there. And that is Narsil. I'm going to unbox this 1/5 Ringwraith miniature collectible. Very cool boxing. And you can see on the back there, it shows other swords that would be in the line in the 1/5 scale here. Now let me unbox this and show you. As you can see, it's UC 1278. And this is the sword of the Ringwraith. So here is the sword of the Ringwraith. again. Very cool. All the writing again on the bottom. Lord of the Rings emblem. Very, very cool piece. I love how it indents on the left there. And then the hilt and the handle and everything on this is really, really cool. That sets this sword apart from the others. Lots of texture, all that. You can tell with the weathering on there. You can see here. Pretty cool what they did with that. Pretty cool. And that is the Sword of the Ringwraith. Next is the Sword of the Witchking, I mean. Shows you on the back. So this is the art box of this mini sword. And this is UC 1266, as you can see here. So here is the mini sword of the Witchking. Again, with the base. This is a longer one. Forgot to get that styrofoam out of there. Didn't realize there was a design on the end of this. Pretty cool. Again with the weathering, just like with the Ringwraith sword. I guess I'd have to get the fluff out of there. Styrofoam. Pretty cool. And that is the sword of the Witchking. This next one is the Elven Knife of Strider, and this is one of my personal favorites of these. And this is a 1/3 scale. And this is the art box. Here we go, you can see all the different mini swords on the back of this one. And that's the art box. And let's open this up. This one actually came with the COA, which is kind of cool. Nothing on the back, just thing for the COA. And then here is the Elven Knife of Strider. Again with the cool base. Love the writing on this one. Very cool. Shorter blade, just like Sting, close to. Pretty cool, guys. That's awesome. I love this one. Turn it around. This one's very, very nice. I really like this one. This one's really nice. This one's nice and elegant. Very, very cool. United Cutlery does really good work on these knives. The etching and everything with the stamp. Everything. And that's the Knife of Strider. Next is the Fighting Knives of Legolas. And I really love these. These are so cool. Again with the art box. All the 1/5 to 1/3 scales. Full line, I believe. And this is UC 1372. Again, this one came with a COA, Certificate of Authenticity. Oh my God, you guys. This is definitely a really nice set of knives. So elegant, so beautiful. And these aren't etched in, they were like, looks like these were carved in. Or, I don't know, but they are so nice. Like it has texture on them. They're not painted on. And of course, then it comes with a bigger base on this to hold both of them at the same time. Really beautiful. Really nice. These are definitely one of my top 2 in this series of the knives here. Knives and swords. Love the stand. And I'll show you here one of these blades. The design on the blades. Get it right. One sec here. There we go. Just needed more light. Just elegant and beautiful. And these ones, holy. And look at, you can see what I mean with the texture on the handles there. These are really nice, you guys. Holy. Don't mind the styrofoam. Yeah, these are really nice. And you can see here. Put it in like so. Wow, I really like these ones. Definitely one of my top 2 favorites of these. Wow. And then my favorite one of the whole series of these, the Shards of Narsil with the statue. This is unbelievable and really, really cool. Here's the Shards of Narsil. And here's the statue. Definitely my favorite piece out of these. By far none. When I saw these in the movies, I just fell in love with it. Oh, look at the hair on the statue. Oh my God, that is so cool. So much detail in that. And the weathering down below, as if it's been there for a few ages. Look at the detail of the portrait in here too. That is really, really nice. As you can see why this is my favorite one in the series here. Here, I'll show you the Shards of Narsil again. A little bit more up close. Really, really nice. Absolutely love this piece. Wow. Oh, and I will let you know as soon as I find out what the UC number is here. Here again, this is the 1/5 scale. And this is UC 1296. This is unbelievable. Very, very cool. Just an awesome piece. And here's what they all look like all together. My collection of all the mini swords and daggers. Really love those. Really, really nice. United Cutlery. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of these. And like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.